Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IAVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Alif to Dawat. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 19 and SW number 17. And my dear students, today is our revised class. We have already learned Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Alif to Ya. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we will learn 15 Arabic alphabet with Jabar. My dear students, you know that today is our revised class. Alhamdulillah, we have learned already Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Alif to Ya. Okay, my dear students, today we will learn 15 Arabic alphabet with Jabar again. So let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 15 Arabic alphabet with Jabar. My dear students, you know that this sign is called Jabar. And my dear students, single Jabar, single Jar and single Pesh are called Harkat. And the pronunciation of Harkat is to be read very quickly or fast, like that. Alif Zabar A or Hamza Zabar A. Very quick or fast. Okay, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Alif to Dawat. Okay, first one is, now everyone read with me, Hamza Zabar A or Alif Zabar A, Hamza Zabar A. Then Ba Zabar Ba, Ba Zabar Ba, Ta Zabar Ta, Tha Zabar Tha, Tha Zabar Tha. You have to pronounce this one very softly, Tha Zabar Tha. Then Zim Zabar Ja, Zim Zabar Ja. Then Ha Zabar Ha, Ha Zabar Ha. You know that you have to pronounce this one from the middle of the throat, Ha Zabar Ha. Then this one is Kha Zabar Kha, Kha Zabar Kha, not Kha Zabar Kha. Someone pronounces that Kha Zabar Kha. This is wrong. You have to pronounce this one Kha Zabar Kha. Then Dal Zabar Da, Dal Zabar Da. Then Dal Zabar Za, Dal Zabar Da. You have to pronounce this one very softly, like that, Tha Zabar Tha and Dal Zabar Da. Then, my dear students, Ra Zabar Ra, Ra Zabar Ra. Someone pronounces that Ra Zabar Ra. This is not correct. You have to pronounce this one is Ra Zabar Ra. Okay, then this one is Za Zabar Za, Za Zabar Za. Then Sin Jabar Sa, Sin Jabar Sa. Sin will be something buzzing. Sin. Okay, Sin Jabar Sa. Then this one is Shin, and Shin has 3 drops. My dear students, Shin Jabar Sha, Shin Jabar Sha, and this will be dashing sound like that, Sha, Sha. Okay, then Swad Jabar So, Swad Jabar So. Then this one is Dot, Dot Jabar Do, Dot Jabar Do. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 15 Arabic alphabet with Jabar. And my dear students, you also know how to read and write this 15 Arabic alphabet. Okay, my dear students, you again and again read and write this 15 Arabic alphabet at your home. And my dear students, that's all for today. And you must submit your SW copy on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. And my dear students, you know that today is our SW number 17. And you will make SW at your home from Alif to Dawat. That means Alif Zabar A or Hamza Zabar A, from Alif Zabar A or Hamza Zabar A to Dawat Zabar Do. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.